Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video we will learn about enums in TypeScript. So what is the enum here? Okay, what is the idea behind the enums? So we have the definition for it. Enum in TypeScript are used to create a group of related constant values with meaningful names. They make your code easier to read, manage, and understand instead of using the random number or strings everywhere. By default, internally TypeScript uses the number for the enums, but you can update net values. So what is the idea behind enums? Imagine you want to represent fixed options like days, rows, order, status, or traffic lights. Instead of remembering values like 0, admin, or read, or here enum, let you use clear names such as roles, admins, or traffic light dot rates. So it is very simple. By default, TypeScript give enum values numbers, okay, internally, but you have to just rename that. Okay, this is the idea about here. So let me go to the VS Code and then check it here. Create new file, enum.ts files. Got it. Here instead of remembering the random value, you give them name that make the sense. So here we have the example for you. Here problem. That is the example without enums. Here let here status is equal to 1, then if status is equal to the 1, then console.logs which is active. Okay, this is imagine you come back to this code after 2 months. Got it? Here you see status is equal to the 1. Now here your brain goes like, what is 1? Active, pending, deleted, or suspended. Okay, this is confusing and dangerous. So instead of that, here same example with enums. Here it is same example with enum. This one here about enum you know already in C language or C++ language. Okay, also there is concept of enum. Okay, so same thing here we have also. Okay. So here it is a enum. It is a status. Here it is a status. Here inside it is active, and then inactive, and then pendings. Okay, this is enum. So let me check it value here. Console.logs and then status dot active. So what happened, guys? Let me execute these files. Here fields, then tsc, and then node your file name. It is a enum dot js files, and you see it is 0. Okay, VS Code, I mean not a VS, it is TypeScript. Internally it understand with like 0, 1, 2, 3. Suppose now here go to the next. Suppose inactive, then it will be what? This will be 1. This is, you see it is 1, and if it is pending, here this is okay dot pending, then again execute. You see here, and you see it is 2. So you see TypeScript storage 0, 1, 2, 3, but here it is a problem, guys. You have to here give them a specific name like active, okay, or inactive, and for the pendings. Let me remove that, and then you have to check let user here status it is equal to status dot active, and then here if it is a user status it is equal to the this is a status dot active, then inside it here you write console.logs. Here user is active. Sorry. Let me extrude files, and you will see here user is active. Okay, now look at this status here active. Here no guessing needed. Your brain instantly understand this is user is active. Okay, this is about user status. Active means this user is active. That is the power of enum self explanatory codes here. Okay, here if you write, if you use like 0, 1, 2, 3, okay, that by default JavaScript, TypeScript is 2, then it is like a little bit confusing. Like here, if status it is active, then what it means here? 0. If you put here I am talking about this one, your status enum values here, and then you see what is the meaning of this thing here. What is the meaning of 0? You did not understand the things. Here user is a active. Got it? So this is about your enum value. And then here we have another example how it's work internally. I have already explained about this. It is a numeric enums. Yes, how it works internally. Okay, here write enum directions. Here write up, then down, then left, then right. Got it? So this is up, down, left, right. Here behind the scene, TypeScript does this. Like up it is 0, then down 1, left it is 2, then right it is 3. Even you can console.log and check it here. Data confirm. It is a console.log and then check it here. It is direction dot up. Then execute here. Let me see this. And then tsc and then your file node. You see it is 0 here. But you don't need to remember numbers, just use the names. Okay, here you have to put custom values. So here this one, here you can put like enum status is inside it. Put active is equal to 1, then inactive 2, then pending is equal to 3. Okay, this is the things here. Here sometime backend database already uses numbers like 1 is active, 2 is equal to inactive, so you match your enum with that systems. Okay, then here is string enums. About here is string enum. Here you have to enum and then write the rule. It is equal to inside here admin is equal to admin, then right widget is equal to this is the user. Okay, then guest it is equal to the guest. Correct. So you see here, this is what you will use in real projects. Why? Because API usually send strings from the server, like admin it is admin, user it is user. Okay, so you have to assign a value for each enum. Okay, that is easy to understand. Not like this here, you have to just create a variable and leave as it is, because TypeScript internally assign like 0, 1, 2, 3 number. Okay, and it does not make any sense. So okay, we have a real life example for you, so that now you will understand. This is here e-commerce orders. This is you have to first define the enum like order status, and then inside it is pending, it is equal to here pending, then it is here shipped, it is equal to this is it is shipped. The next you write delivered, it is equal to delivered. Got it. The next it is a cancel, it is equal to cancel. This one, that is fine, it is already status. And then here you write what functions track orders, and then here status, it is a order status, and then inside it here check condition if it is status it is equal to order status dot shipped, you know this one, and then write the message console.logs here your order is on the way, and then you have to track order inside it here your order status dot shipped, correct? Okay, so here you see what here user place order by default pending, then warehouse send it, that is shipped, customer received, that is delivered. Now instead of writing status it is equal here shipped, okay, you write status it is equal to order status dot shipped, okay, this prevent mismatch mistake like shipped typo or shipping wrong values. TypeScript you here let me execute this values TSC and then node values. You see your order is on the way, got it? So this is all about your enums. Okay, so simple things you know about enum. It is equal to name constant that make your code readable, safe and professional. So this is all about the enums. So thank you for the listening. I will see you in the next one.